Hello everyone. Today we are dealing with one of the important chapters from class 10th, life processes. So let's start. What is living? Something that has life is known as living. And why does this life exist in these living organisms? Yes, because they carry out life processes. So life is simply sum total of all life processes. So living organism will carry out nutrition plus respiration plus transportation plus excretion all together so that life should exist in that living organism. And which are the various life processes which are shown by living organism? Yes, number one, nutrition. Nutrition is process of obtaining nutrients which are present inside the food. Next, respiration. Respiration is breakdown of nutrients, for example, glucose to release energy. Next, we have transportation. Transportation is movement of substances like water, nutrients, waste, gases within an organism's body. Next, we have excretion. Excretion is removal of harmful substances from the body. Next is movement. Movement is ability to change position or location. Growth. Growth is permanent increase in size or cell number. Reproduction. Reproduction is producing offspring of its own kind. And these life processes are functions that all living organisms perform for their survival and maintenance. Now these life processes, they are categorized as essential life processes and non-essential life processes. So what is meant by essential life processes? Essential life processes are required to keep the organism alive, whereas non-essential life processes are not necessary for immediate survival. So for example, nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion are categorized as essential life processes. So organisms should carry out these life processes continuously without any gaps so that life should exist in that living organism. Whereas when it comes to movement, for example, external movement like walking, moving hands, so if you don't move for few days, it won't affect your survival. Next is growth. After a certain age, your body, it will stop growing. So stopping of growth doesn't mean that you may die. Next is reproduction. Reproduction, a human being can willingly decide not to reproduce throughout his or her life and still can live a happy and healthy life. Okay, so that's the reason movement, growth and reproduction, they are categorized as non-essential life processes, which simply means not required for immediate survival. But when it comes to reproduction, reproduction is essential for long-term survival of species or continuity of species. So reproduction is a non-essential life process at an individual level, but if we see at the population level or at the group level, then life reproduction is essential for long term survival of the species or continuity of the species, that is to bring generations and generations on this earth. And in this lesson we'll be only dealing with essential life processes which are required for organism to keep alive. So which are the essential life processes? Nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion. So in the next class, we'll study in detail about nutrition as a life process.